In this class, I am going to show you how to solve a quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. By the method of completing the square. Completing the square. Yeah. Now see, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. So here we need to solve this quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. Now I'll show you how to solve this quadratic equation by completing the square. Now first, before going to the first step is, so we have to make the quotient of x square as 1. So here the quotient of x square is 2, but we need to make quotient of x square by 1 by dividing whatever the number there in front of this x square. So 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. I divide 2 both the sides. Whatever the number is there before this x square, we need to divide both the sides. Then we can cancel these two. Then that time the quotient of x square will become 1. Now 2x square by 2 is x square. Then minus 7x by 2 is minus 7x by 2. So we have to divide these two for all these three numbers. Then plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2 is 2. Why I have divided 2? Because I need to make the quotient of x square as 1. Nothing is else, 1 will be there. So to make the quotient of x square as 1, so we need to, whatever the number there in the beginning, that we have to divide. If there is no number, then we no need to do this first step. Now second step, we need to shift this constant that side. The constant, these two has variables, but this number does not have variable. This number we have to shift that side. So here I get 1x square minus 7x by 2 is equal to, this will go that side, then minus 3 by 2. The plus 3 by 2, when we shift that side, it will become minus 3 by 2. Next step, we need to take this quotient of x. So first step, we need to make quotient of x square as 1, then send the constant that side. Second step, in the third step, we need to take the quotient of x here. The quotient of x here, it is minus 7 by 2. Whatever the number there before this x, okay, all we should take and we need to multiply off. This is a constant number. We need to multiply for all the sums of to the quotient of x. Whatever the number there before this, even denominator, everything we need to take that side and we have to multiply off. Then minus 7 into 1, minus 7 divided by 2 into 2, it will become 4. Then we need to square this number. So it will become minus 7 by 4 whole square. Now first we need to take the quotient of x that side and we need to multiply off to that, then whatever the number we'll get, we have to square it, and this number we have to add both the sides. We have LHS as well as RHS. We need to add this number for both LHS and RHS. So 1x square minus 7 by 2x plus minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal. So I have added this number to this left hand side, and same thing, minus 3 by 2, then plus minus 7 by 4 whole square. We need this square, we have to add both the sides. That this number will become a formula. This number will become a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this whole thing we can write it as x minus 7 by 4 whole square. If you expand by using a minus b whole square, you will get this answer back. That's why this 1x square minus 7 by 2x plus minus 7 by 4 whole square, this will be the answer for a minus b whole square, means x minus 7 by 4 whole square. This, if you expand by using a minus b whole square, you will get this number back. That's why this method is called completing the square. See, I have made some square. So this has become a square of two numbers. The two numbers are x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to this side minus 3 by 2. We have to keep as it is. This side we have to solve it. Then plus minus 7 square. Minus 7 square will be 49 divided by 4 square is 16. Now I'll take this number here. This number we need to write as it is x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to, and here we need to take LCM 2 because plus both are fractions. We have plus, we need to take LCM 2 and 16. 16 is the LCM, so I need to multiply 8 to make 2 as a 16. Then here also it will become 16. So the LCM is 16. We have to make that the smaller number is equal to LCM. So I need to multiply 8. Whenever I multiply some number to the denominator, same number will multiply to the numerator. So 8. Now that time this number will become minus 24 by 16 plus, and this will be 49 by 16. We need to write as it is. Now this side we have to keep the number as it is. Whole square is equal to, now 16 is same LCM we have to keep. Then plus is there, different sign, plus and minus different sign, we need to subtract. 49 minus 24 is 25. 25 by 16. Because denominators are same, 16 and 1 minus 1 plus, so we need to subtract it. 49 minus 24 is 25. 25 by 16. Now if I shift this square that side, it will become root. So x minus 7 by 4 is equal to square root of 25 by 16. Now x minus 7 by 4 is equal to, the square root of 25 is 5. The square root of 16 is 4, and we must write plus or minus. Whenever we take square root, we must write plus or minus 5 by 4. Now once we have once we need to take plus 5 by 4. Then one more time we have to take minus 5 by 4. Then we can find the value of x. So x minus 7 by 4 is equal to, first I will take plus 5 by 4, and here I will take x minus 7 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4. Now I will shift this minus 7 by 4 that side. Now x is equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So both are plus and same denominator, so we can keep the denominator as it is. So x is equal to 4, we can keep as it is. 5 and 7 both are plus, so we have to add. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 by 4 we can cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. X is equal to 3 plus 3. So first one answer, x is equal to plus 3. Now I have taken plus 5 by 4. Here I am taking minus 5 by 4. So x is equal to minus 5 by 4 stays there only. Then if I send minus 7 by 4 that side, it will become plus 7 by 4. Now x is equal to, the LCM, both the sides we have 4. We need to keep 4 as it is. Different sign, we need to subtract and put bigger sign. So 7 minus 5 is 2, and bigger number has plus, so plus 2. We can cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are. So x is equal to, here we will get plus 1 by 2. The final answer, so x is equal to plus 3 and x is equal to plus 1 by 2.